My second C tutorial, and in this lecture I'm gonna show you what editor we can use it and how and where we gonna download it. So if you have Mac operating system, so I definitely recommend Xcode or Visual Studio. So if you have Windows operating system, unfortunately Xcode is not gonna work in the Visual Studio. It's not gonna work in Mac operating system. So I will definitely recommend you guys to download Visual Studio in a Windows operating system. So if you have Mac and you don't have Xcode and you're gonna download from App Store, so if you type Xcode, and it's right here. So since you don't have it, your is gonna be GAT. So when you get it, with all on your computer. And if you don't have Visual Studio, so you just go right here, Visual Studio for Mac, and from this link, and you're gonna download from here. So if you don't have Mac and you have Windows operating system, so I still recommend you guys use a Visual Studio, and because this is the best one. And let's see what is to come up. See the best C editor for Windows 10. So right here is a come up same is a Visual Studio is a most recommend editor for C programming. And now I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna start a project from Xcode and Visual Studio. So Xcode, when we click it, and then you go File, and then you go New, and from New you go Project, and from Project, making sure there's different option. You go Make iOS, and then you go Command Line, and then you go Next, and we just write the project name YouTube C1, and make sure language will be C because there's optional language, so make sure you click C. And then when we go next, and then we click where we're gonna create our project, we want to create in the desktop, and then we go next, and here you go, so our project. So I know you guys beginner, you don't have to worry about all these. What do you see? So in next lecture I will explain everything. Was included mean, was a main, what is a return, what is a print. So all I'm gonna show you, so when we click right here, so it's gonna run project and it will print this line code down here. So see, ask for password. Oops, wrong password. See, my computer is a little bit slow and the font is a work, so probably it's make a little voice. So right here, so is a print hello world. So I'm gonna show you in Visual Studio, in case if you guys have Windows operating system. I will use Xcode if you have Windows operating system, so you can write the same thing in Visual Studio. Is exactly will be same code. So we make a save. Let's see. Oops. New file, and then we save, and then we make a project name YouTube C2, and make sure you make a .c extension. Remember in Xcode we didn't did that. In Xcode is automatically make extension, but in Visual Studio make sure you did that. And in most editor you do by yourself is doesn't do automatically like Xcode does. So we're gonna create in desktop and save it, and let's see, I'm gonna just copy paste right here, and then we go Visual Studio and type it, and a main right here. I know you're not familiar with that, that's fine, it will be next lecture, promise. So I will explain everything was included mean, was a main, all these things, print, and hello world, hello YouTube, oops, YouTube, okay. Then run, oops, what's wrong? Here, print, hello world. Oh, I didn't save it. We have to save it. And then run. Oh, what's wrong? Something going on here. Let's see. Oh yeah, is it printed? Hello world is right here. So well, in case if you guys don't have this one, because I remember when I downloaded I didn't have it, so you go extension, and from extension you right here you click it and see run. So you download extension, you see is a C and C++ run complaint. So you download those extensions. To download extension, all you do, like let's say you want to do that one, because I already downloaded, there is no installation, so you just click it and then you do installation. It's gonna come up here if you don't have this run. So the purpose of this video, I just want to explain you what editor we're going to use in for C. If you have Windows and Xcode, I will use Xcode, and don't worry, if you have Windows operating system you can use a Visual Studio. It will be exact same code, like anything I write, if you copy it will run for you as well. So thank you, I appreciate. I will see you in the next video, and